So you really think I'm gonna die here? Besides, I have my secret weapon. And I'll use it if I have to.